Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most popular naked bikes in the world, the 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Renowned for its thrilling performance and everyday usability, the MT-07 has built a massive following among riders who crave agility, power, and style in one dynamic package. The 2026 model refines that winning formula, bringing sharper looks, enhanced tech, and improved ride dynamics. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this MT-07 continues to dominate the middleweight Streetfighter class, design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 embraces its dark side of Japan identity with an even more aggressive and futuristic design. The front end features a redesigned LED projector headlight, giving it a menacing look that stands out both day and night. Sleeker body panels and improved aerodynamics make the bike appear leaner and more muscular, while new color schemes add bold personality to its Streetfighter vibe. Yamaha has also improved the seat shape and riding ergonomics for a more comfortable, yet sporty feel during longer rides. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 MT-07 lies Yamaha's proven 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine. Known for its punchy torque and smooth power delivery, the engine produces around 74 horsepower and delivers instant throttle response, making it just as fun in city traffic as it is on twisty roads. A refined gearbox and lightweight chassis improve handling precision, while the suspension setup has been updated for better stability and cornering feedback. Combined with its excellent power-to-weight ratio, the MT-07 continues to offer one of the most engaging rides in its class. Safety and technology. The 2026 model takes a step forward in technology, adding new rider aids and connectivity features. A full-color TFT display now offers smartphone integration, navigation support, and ride statistics. The inclusion of switchable traction control and ABS enhances confidence for riders of all experience levels. LED lighting all around ensures maximum visibility, while optional quickshifter and ride modes give enthusiasts more control and customization. The MT-07 blends simplicity with modern tech, staying true to its rider-focused philosophy. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 strengthens its reputation as a versatile, fun, and accessible naked bike for riders everywhere. With updated design, refined performance, and improved technology, it remains the go-to choice for those seeking a perfect balance of excitement and practicality. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or commuting through the city, the new MT-07 is ready to thrill every time you twist the throttle. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, first looks, and the latest in motorcycle innovation.